Hi everybody! Today we're going to talk about a special kind of shape called a square. This shape is a square. What do you notice about it? Let me turn it a little bit. How many sides does this shape have? Let's count the sides. Here's one side, two sides, three sides, four sides. What do you notice about how long the sides are? That's right. Every side is the same length. How many corners are on this square? Let's see. The corner is the pointy part where two sides come together. So here's one corner, two corners, three corners, four corners. So a square is a special kind of shape that has four corners and it has four sides that are all the same length. That means no matter which side you look at, it's the same size as the other side. I'm gonna put that right here. And I'm gonna write the word square. Square. Wonder what that starts with. S. It starts with S. S. The next letter is a little tricky. It's a Q, and then a U, and then an A, and then an R, and then an E. That says square. Can you read it with me? Square. Awesome job. Now you know that a square is a shape that has four sides that are all the same length and four corners. Look, we can even mark it up here. One side, two sides, three sides, four sides. We can do the same thing with the corners. This is one corner, two corners, three corners, four corners. Now that you know what a square is, I'm going to give you a big challenge. Can you help me sort some shapes into squares, and not squares? I'm going to put a big line down the middle so we can tell where the difference is. Let me fix my line there. It didn't come out very dark. All right. So remember, we can tell if something is a square if it has four sides that are all the same length and four corners. Are you ready for this challenge? Let's see. What is this? Do you think this is a square? You're right, it is a square. So I'm going to put it on the side that says squares. All right, you ready for another challenge? Here we go. This one is little. What do you think? Is that a square? It is a square. So that goes over here too. Wow, we've got a lot of squares so far. Let's see what happens. What about this? What do you think? Does it have any sides? Well, it has one side, but that's all. If it has one side, can it be a square? No, it can't. So this goes on the side that says not squares. All right, let's try another challenge shape. What about this? What do you think? Is it a square? Well, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Well, let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Can this be a square? No. Do you know what this shape is? It's a triangle. But it's not a square, so it goes on the side that says not squares. All right, let's keep going. What about this button? Yes, it's a square. It has 4 sides that are all the same length and 4 corners. Awesome. I'm going to put it right there under squares. Okay, this one might be a little tricky. What is this guy? You got me. You know he's not a square. This is a circle. Does he have any sides? No. Does he have any corners? No. No sides and no corners cannot be a square. So I'm going to put him right here. All right, let's see what else we've got. Let's think about this one. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so maybe it's a square. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it has 4 sides and 4 corners, but there's something about the sides that's really important for it to be a square. What is it? Oh, yeah, thanks for reminding me. The sides have to all be the same length. Here's a little short side, and here's a little short side. These 2 sides match each other. But what's up here? Is that a short side? No, that's a long side. There's another long side. So this shape has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. It is not a square. It's called a rectangle. All right, but we're going to put him right here because he is not a square. All right. Couple more. What? What is it? It has 4 corners. It has 4 sides. Are they all the same length? No. Hey, wait though. Hold on. What if I turn it? Is it a square now? No, it is still not a square. It's the same shape as this. That was a rectangle. That's right. All right. One more. You're doing great at sorting shapes with me. What is this? Look, 4 sides that are all the same and 4 corners. It is a square. All right. So here we have our squares. They are the same because they all have 4 sides that are the same length and they all have 4 corners. Do they all have to be the same color to be a square? No. Is it okay if this square is really big and this square is really tiny? Yes, because we're sorting by shape. All of these are the same shape. They are squares. All of these are different shapes, and none of them are squares. Now you know what a square is. Thank you for helping me sort my shapes.